Hey, welcome back to the SideHustlr YouTube channel. Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job? Are you looking to earn some quick and easy money? Well, I've got you covered. Making money on the internet has become a whole lot easier. What if I tell you that you can easily make around $100 per day? No cap, only facts. In this video, I'll show you 9 different ways how you can make some easy bucks. So let's get into it. Starting with number 9. This is probably the best known secret of all time. Freelancers tend to earn a lot, like a lot. Around the same, if not more, than an average full-time job. While freelancing can be subcategorized into anything, freelance writing is what I am focusing on. Many companies, especially larger ones, look for writers or ghostwriters for their blogs or websites, so they don't have to worry about their social presence. And they are willing to pay up to $100 or more for content. Of course, pay is directly dependent on the experience of the writer, as well as the number of words. So it's really a no-brainer and easy to get started. Check out our video on copywriting to learn more about getting started. Proofreading. Technically, this falls under the freelancing domain, but I'm keeping it as a separate option. That's because people don't realize how well-paying this job is. Companies, especially publishing firms, are very keen on finding freelancing proofreaders, so they don't have to hire an employee full-time. This even allows you to work from the comfort of your home. Just sign up to any reputable freelancing website and get applying. Clients are paying anywhere from $50 to $300, depending upon the size of the manuscript and your expertise on the topic. Virtual assistant. We have all seen the 90s and 2000s rom-com movies where the poor secretary protagonist gets hoarded with so much work from her cruel boss that she has no time for love or friends. Well, this job is nothing like the movies. Being a virtual assistant is a relatively easy job. All virtual assistant tasks can be done from home and do not require a particular set of skills. Requirements usually include administrative work, social media handling, or customer care. The specific tasks will, of course, vary depending upon the client. There are many freelancing sites where you can register for free and start looking for clients needing virtual assistants. Teaching online. If you have been a student in the 21st century, you know how much of a lifesaver online lectures and quizzes can be. There are a lot of websites that detail and encourage graduate or postgrad students to come to join the platform to teach high school courses. Now, if you do not hold a college degree, don't worry. There are a lot of platforms, YouTube included, where you can share your expertise and skills with people and teach them how to build that aptitude, like carpeting, playing a particular instrument, or even learning to ride a motorcycle. With the lockdown, people had a lot of free time and readily sought new skills to learn. Learning doesn't end with school. Number 5 is arguably one of the most controversial: paid online surveys. People usually don't trust companies or websites that claim to pay for surveys. There are certainly some sketchy websites out there, but don't worry, I got you. The reasoning behind paid surveys is that companies use these forums to determine the public opinion about their company image or some new product they are launching. An additional point of using paid surveys is they want to get a more detailed and authentic opinion of people. Paid surveys also reach a wider variety of people, as people actively look for paid interviews and put some extra thought into the feedback. Some trustworthy websites include Survey Junkie, Branded Surveys, Inbox Dollars, Life Points, Swagbucks, and I Say. Check out the video description for links to each of these sites. Sponsored posts. These few options are for Gen Z, with a decent social media following. You can do sponsored posts if you have a lively and active social media presence, pretty much like how YouTube videos can be sponsored. The only difference is that you must write about the product or the company. Sponsored posts are set to introduce a product or a platform to many people that are already active followers. Social media handlers and influencers are ideal for this job. To create a sponsored post, you will need to post a video about the product and how to use it, or post a photo of the products and promote good things about it or the company. A client may also request some particular keywords. How much you make with this one will depend on your social media presence and your relevance to the product. If you have a decent following, rates can go as high as $1,000, and a post will go higher with more followers or presence. At number 3 is Google AdSense. Like number 4, this is best suited for folks with a social media presence. Google has made a digital advertising program that helps online content creators to make money through promotional ads. This applies to bloggers, website holders, and even YouTubers. All you have to do is sign up with Google AdSense. They'll provide you with code, paste it on your website, and you're done. Google will do its thing, and you'll make money every time someone clicks on an ad. Now, it should be said that the amount you'll make is highly dependent on the niche of ads and your content. Some topics are more fruitful than others, but the more passionate you are about the subject, and the more you write, the better your chances of making a career. Selling on the internet. Arbitrage enthusiasts rise because this option is for you. Think about it. The internet has brought all sorts of people together. This includes geeks, nerds, vintage collectors, enthusiasts, and hobbyists. If you have a collectible or happen to find an item that you can refurb with minimal effort, it might be sold at a great price. This is where all the great sites like eBay, Craigslist, OfferUp, and Facebook Marketplace come into play. This option is excellent for all the thrift store lurkers with a keen eye. If you think you have an item that isn't needed anymore, sell it online to earn extra cash. People have made whole careers out of it. There is even a show called Storage Wars that showcases people buying and selling other people's stuff. What if you don't have any products to sell or a particular skill set? Then is it still possible to earn $100 per day? Yes! And this is why at number 1, we have affiliate marketing. Advertising other people's or companies' products and platforms can make you some good income. With affiliate marketing, you will write descriptions or reviews of different products on your website and provide people with links to buy them. Your readers will get inspired by the descriptions and go to the links. From every purchase, you can earn a percentage of the order. How easy is that? It's not your product, but you're still making money. You can hire copywriters if you can't write the descriptions or reviews. They will help boost your business to the next level. You can easily find people on Fiverr to help you. So that is it. 9 ways to make $100 a day on the internet. Which one did you find the most helpful or motivating? Let us know in the comments. There are so many opportunities out there waiting for you to dive right in and find what is best suited for you. And remember to work smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.